In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur backgrounds in Photoshop with some quick tips. Whether you're touching up a portrait or drawing attention to the main subject of your photo, knowing how to effectively blur the background will elevate your image editing skills. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open Adobe Photoshop and add the image you wish to work on. When you open Photoshop, click on File in the top menu and then select Open. Navigate to your image file and open it within the program. Make sure your photo is of good quality to ensure the final product looks its best. Once your image is loaded into Photoshop, the next step is to select the main subject. This is the part of the image that you want to keep in sharp focus while everything else is blurred. To start, locate the selection tool in the toolbar on the left-hand side. There are different selection tools available, but for today, let's use the quick selection tool for its ease and precision. Simply click on your subject in the image and drag around to create a selection. You'll notice crawling ants outlining the area you selected. With your subject selected, we now need to isolate it to apply the blur to the background. To do this, you'll want to select the inverse of your current selection. Go to Select in the top menu and click on Inverse. This action will reverse your selection, meaning everything but the subject is now selected. Congratulations, you're halfway there. Now, let's get to the fun part, applying the blur effect. Head over to the top menu and click on Filter. From the drop-down, navigate to Blur and then select Gaussian Blur. A new window will pop up, allowing you to adjust the blur settings. Gaussian blur is widely used because of its smooth, feathered effect. Finally, it's time to play around with the blur amount to get the desired effect. You'll see a radius slider in the Gaussian blur window. As you adjust the slider, you'll notice the background becoming progressively more blurred. It all depends on your aesthetic preference and the effect you want to achieve. A higher radius will produce a stronger blur, while a lower radius will keep more detail visible. Once you're happy with the blur, simply click OK to apply it. And there you have it. You've successfully blurred the background in your image, keeping your subject in sharp focus. Save your final work by going to File and then Save As to ensure you have a copy of your edited masterpiece. This quick and efficient method is perfect for making your images stand out and highlighting the main attraction. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy editing!